Hello everyone, did you know that from the mid-18th century, global prosperity has been closely related to the evolution of technologies? That's right. The successive waves of industrial revolutions have been the driving force behind global economic prosperity. Technology continues to shape our world, transforming industries and the way goods are produced, distributed, and consumed. From the first industrial revolution in mid-18th century to the current fourth industrial revolution, technological advancements have reshaped societies, economies, and the global order. In this video by Africa Rebound, we explore the progression of technologies from the early stages to the present era, dominated by artificial intelligence. We also offer strategic insights for African nations to catch up on these technological advancements. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to receive more insights of this nature on economic development with specific reference to Africa. The first industrial revolution marked the shift from manual labor to the use of machine tools. Characterized by the invention of the steam engine, the power loom, and cotton spinning for textile manufacturing. This revolution transformed Britain's economy and increased productivity as well as output. The Second Industrial Revolution, spanning from 1870 to 1914, is also known as the Technological Revolution. It brought about rapid advancements in industries through electricity generation, steel production, and chemical processing. These innovations introduced industrial mass production of goods, the construction of railroads, and the transition from the use of coal to petroleum. It was during this period that multinational corporations such as General Electric, GE, Ford Motor Company, U.S. Steel Corporation, and Standard Oil, which is now ExxonMobil, emerged. The Third Industrial Revolution, which started from the mid-20th century, is also referred to as the Digital Revolution and marked the beginning of the Information Age. The digital revolution was the transition from electromechanical systems to digital electronics, computing, and telecommunications. It was characterized by the introduction of the internet, microprocessors, computers, and mobile telephony. For instance, the first internet message, "Lo," was sent in 1969, while the first website domain, symbolics.com, was registered in 1985. Corporate giants like Intel, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, etc. emerged during this period. This revolution laid the foundation for the modern digital age and enabled global communication, e-commerce, and automation. The Fourth Industrial Revolution, or Industry 4.0, is marked by breakthroughs in advanced technologies in robotics, artificial intelligence, AI, the Internet of Things, IoT, quantum computing, nanotechnology, and genetic engineering. The production of smart machines and devices enables the analysis, diagnosis, and control of things without the need for human intervention. This capability is transforming industries such as healthcare, finance, transportation, manufacturing, and creating new opportunities for economic growth and development. Furthermore, the digital integration of these technologies is blurring the lines between industries and creating smart factories across the globe. This revolution has already created many global giants like Tesla, Nvidia, OpenAI, Qualcomm, etc. Unfortunately, these technological advancements have caused a sharp technology divide between the developed nations and the developing nations. While Western nations and the emerging economies in Asia have acquired and benefited immensely from these technological advances, many African nations have struggled to keep pace with these changes. African nations therefore face unique technological challenges. In order for Africa to catch up and leverage the Fourth Industrial Revolution, strategic interventions are required. 1. Invest in digital infrastructure, broadband connectivity, and data centers. 2. Emphasize science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, education, and vocational skills training. 3. Engage in global partnerships for technology learning and acquisition. The industrial revolutions from the first to the fourth have been the driving force behind global economic prosperity. Therefore, African nations must adopt strategic measures to catch up and compete on the global technology stage. To put this bluntly, without technological development, there can be no economic prosperity. The implication of not learning or developing or acquiring technologies is the worsening of poverty rates in Africa. And we don't want that, do we? Thanks for watching, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing to learn more about Africa's economic development.